Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem connecting to your server on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open your settings. Now scroll down and look for date and time. If you don't find it here, then tap on General Management. Now tap on Date and Time and enable Automatic Data and Time. By enabling this, your device will receive the date and time provided by your network. Now go back and go to Apps. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on Reset App Preferences. Now scroll down and look for Snapchat. Tap on that. Here you will see the option to clear data. If you don't find it here, then tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Data from bottom left corner. And this will clear all the data of your app. Now go back to your Snapchat, log in back to your account, and your problem will be fixed. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.